My name is Michael Rose and I'm a member of staff in the Institute of Biological, Environmental and Rural Sciences at Aberystwyth University. I manage the Livestock Science MSc. The Livestock Science MSc is about the science of livestock animals, cattle, non-ruminant animals as well, pigs and poultry, sheep and so on. It's about their health, it's about their nutrition, it's about their fertility, it's about their breeding, but we think about the underlying science of these things, and so therefore we're thinking not just about their breeding but the molecular genetics of that breeding, the research in terms of animal nutrition, the science of the fertility of getting these animals pregnant and managing their production and so on. We have a collection of world-renowned scientists working here in Ibers. We have over 30 years of teaching livestock sciences or large animal sciences in Aberystwyth at postgraduate level. You're going to be taught by people who have a frontline understanding of the science of livestock. A large part of the degree involves the dissertation, where students would get stuck into a research project where they would get involved in some hands-on research. Now then, that might be something working alongside these animals here, or it might be something that's purely lab-based, or it might be a combination of both things. But certainly throughout all of that we would expect our students to have a better understanding of experimental design, of a whole range of experimental methods, and that should see them well into their further careers once they graduate. You would hope to understand more about animal nutrition and animal health and immunology and parasitology and so on. But in addition to those, our students come out with a better understanding of the molecular laboratory techniques of the science of these animals. Our students come out with a better understanding of experimental design. We've invested millions of pounds in terms of our laboratories, and we've invested millions of pounds in terms of our farms. We have a 50-point rotary dairy parlour, a 500-cow dairy herd. We have several thousand sheep, several hundred cattle as well, beef animals as well. Ordinarily, we would ask for a 2-1 degree in a relevant subject. A relevant subject might be something like agriculture or animal science, though we would accept any biological discipline, certainly things like zoology and that sort of subject. The potential careers, that there are many, relating to animal nutrition, that there's a whole feed industry set up to feed these animals. That feed industry requires animal nutritionists, and they are graduates of livestock science. There is an animal breeding industry that recruits livestock science graduates. Government organisations like DEFRA recruit livestock scientists in order to manage their research and to manage policy as well. Livestock scientists are recruited by organisations like the RSPCA and other welfare organisations. Trading standards recruit livestock scientists as well in order to enforce animal welfare legislation. There is a very wide range of directly relevant careers at the end of the course. A large number of our graduates go into research, and after having done the MSc, then they find that as an easy step then into doing a PhD, and then from then getting into academia and into research, either in research institutes or in universities. We have graduates that are working all around the world in universities and research institutes. Students find that the most exciting and enjoyable thing about the course is almost certainly the dissertation, where, as I've said before, is an opportunity for students to get their hands on to a real scientific project, and they're involved with the animals here, and they're involved in the laboratories, and they can see the connection between the two. That there is a very good community on the course. The laboratories as part of the taught part of the course are also very enjoyable by students too.